Have you ever heard someone say, "No matter how much I eat, I just can't gain weight"? If you're one of those people, you know how frustrating it can be. While many struggle to lose weight, others face the equally challenging task of gaining weight in a healthy and sustainable way. But let's clear up a common misconception. Gaining weight isn't just about eating more food. Many assume that consuming excessive amounts of fast food, sugary treats, or fried snacks will do the trick, but this approach often leads to unhealthy fat accumulation rather than strong, toned muscles. The goal isn't just to increase the numbers on the scale, but to build a well-nourished and strong body. So, what's the right way to gain weight effectively? The key lies in a combination of a structured diet and an effective workout plan. This guide will take you through each step, ensuring that your weight gain journey is both healthy and sustainable. Are you ready? Let's dive in. 1. Nutrition plan for weight gain. A. Fundamental nutrition principles. When it comes to gaining weight, the quality of your food is just as important as the quantity. Simply increasing your calorie intake without considering nutritional balance can lead to unwanted fat gain rather than healthy mass. Follow these key principles. Increase caloric intake smartly. Aim to consume 300 to 500 extra calories per day for gradual weight gain. If you want faster results, increase it to 700 to 1,000 extra calories per day. Focus on nutrient-dense foods. Instead of junk food, choose foods rich in protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Eat more frequently. Instead of sticking to 3 large meals a day, break them down into 5 to 6 smaller meals. This prevents bloating and helps your body absorb nutrients efficiently. Stay hydrated. Many people forget that water plays a crucial role in digestion and nutrient absorption. Drink at least 2.5 to 3 liters per day. B. Best foods for healthy and effective weight gain. To build mass the right way, you need the right fuel. Here are the best food groups to focus on. Complex carbohydrates, energy providers: brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat bread, oats, sweet potatoes. These provide long-lasting energy and help support muscle growth. High-quality proteins, muscle builders: lean meats, chicken, beef, turkey, fatty fish, salmon, tuna, eggs, dairy products, milk, cheese, Greek yogurt, and plant-based sources like lentils, chickpeas, tofu, soy milk, and quinoa. Healthy fats, long-lasting energy sources: avocados, olive oil, nuts, almonds, walnuts, cashews, and seeds: chia, flax seeds, sunflower seeds. High-calorie fruits, natural boosters: bananas, mangoes, grapes, avocados, dates. These fruits contain natural sugars and healthy fats that aid weight gain. Supportive foods, boosters: peanut butter, dark chocolate, full-fat dairy, and homemade smoothies provide quick and easy calorie boosts. C. High-calorie meal plan for healthy weight gain. Here's a structured meal plan packed with nutrient-rich calories. Breakfast: scrambled eggs with avocado toast, a banana smoothie with peanut butter, or oatmeal with nuts and honey. Mid-morning snack: Greek yogurt with granola, a handful of almonds and cashews, or whole wheat toast with cheese. Lunch: grilled chicken with brown rice and veggies, beef stir-fry with quinoa, or salmon with mashed sweet potatoes. Afternoon snack: protein shake, peanut butter toast, or cottage cheese with fruit. Dinner: pasta with creamy chicken, baked salmon with olive oil, or a hearty beef stew with whole grain bread. Before bed snack: warm milk with honey, a handful of nuts, or full-fat Greek yogurt. D. Common nutrition mistakes to avoid. Consuming too many fried and sugary foods. Eating excessive amounts of fried foods, fast food, and sugary snacks not only increases calorie intake, but also leads to fat accumulation instead of muscle growth. These foods are often low in essential nutrients while being high in unhealthy fats and refined sugars, negatively impacting overall health. Skipping breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day as it kickstarts metabolism and provides the necessary energy for daily activities. Skipping breakfast can lead to fatigue, decreased concentration, and increased hunger later in the day, which may cause overeating and unwanted weight gain. Not tracking calorie intake. Many people either underestimate or overestimate how much they eat, which can hinder their progress toward weight loss or muscle gain. Failing to monitor calorie intake may result in eating too much or too little. Using a food journal or calorie tracking app can help maintain a balanced diet and achieve nutritional goals. Not drinking enough water. Water plays a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall bodily functions. Inadequate hydration can lead to dehydration, reduced exercise performance, slower metabolism, and even false hunger signals. Make sure to drink enough water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after workouts to support muscle recovery and overall health. 2. Workout plan for effective weight gain. If you only eat more without exercising, you risk gaining fat instead of muscle. Strength training is essential for turning excess calories into lean mass. A. Best exercises for muscle growth and weight gain. For effective weight gain, focus on compound movements that work multiple muscle groups at once. Strength training, muscle growth. Squats builds leg and core strength. Deadlifts engages the entire body. Bench press strengthens chest and triceps. Pull-ups and chin-ups, great for upper body strength. Bodyweight exercises. For beginners, push-ups, planks, lunges, dips. Moderate cardio. For heart health without losing mass, light jogging, cycling, or brisk walking, 10 to 15 minutes per session. B. Ideal workout plan for skinny individuals. Workout frequency, 3 to 5 days per week, each session lasting 45 to 60 minutes. Workout routine example. Day 1, chest and arms, bench press, dumbbell curls, tricep dips. Day 2, legs and glutes, squats, lunges, deadlifts. Day 3, back and shoulders, pull-ups, shoulder press, rows. Day 4, rest or light activity, walking, yoga. Day 5, full body workout, mix of compound movements. Post-workout nutrition. After each session, consume a protein-rich meal like a chicken and rice bowl, protein smoothie, or scrambled eggs with toast. C. Common workout mistakes to avoid. Lifting too light or too heavy. Find a weight that challenges you but doesn't compromise form. Skipping rest days. Muscles need time to recover to grow. Neglecting strength training. Relying only on cardio won't help build mass. Gaining weight the right way is a journey, not a race. It requires patience, consistency, and discipline. But by following a structured plan, eating nutrient-rich foods, and engaging in effective workouts, you will start seeing results. Your body is capable of amazing transformations. Feed it well, train it hard, and watch yourself grow stronger every day. If you've been struggling to gain weight, don't give up. Stick with the plan, trust the process, and soon you'll achieve the physique you desire. Are you ready to take control of your weight gain journey? Drop a comment below and let's start together. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness and nutrition tips. Stay strong, stay healthy, and let's grow together. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness and nutrition tips. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Have any questions? Leave them in the comments. I'll be answering them all. Stay strong, stay healthy, and let's grow together. See you in the next video.